Fueled by the stress of the Maui wildfires, workers at the Domestic Violence Action Center are bracing for a spike in calls for help.
KITV4's Diana Ko explains how it's working to beef up services in anticipation of an increase in demand.
The Domestic Violence Action Center, or DVAC, says there's a direct link between a disaster and increased violence or abuse afterwards.
Definitely we're concerned about survivors and their children.
CEO Ella Mojica references Hurricane Katrina.
There was definitely a significant increase in the amount of hotline calls or sexual assaults that happened in evacuation centers. So definitely we have been anticipating, increased requests for support services through our helpline.
She also shares statistics from the COVID pandemic.
A sobering kind of reality when we saw that, our numbers for our helpline increased by, so much. The numbers and requests for housing or for legal services, for protection orders.
That's why DVAC is figuring out right now how to expand services. It's looking for more staffers to start, but it's also making sure to care for its own people.
They can face burnout, a stress as well, because we might, but agencies such as ours who may receive an increase in requests.
Mojica has a couple messages. One, people don't always recognize when they're victims of domestic violence. If something doesn't feel right in your home, maybe it's not right.
Often, they may tell us that, I didn't know that this was a crime or that this was not okay, because in my culture, as long as we didn't require medical assistance, it wasn't looked at as abuse.
Two, if you think you're a victim of domestic violence, help is available.
They're not alone, in that there are people there to help and support and to reach out.
DVAC's hotline is 808-531-3771 and its text line is 605-956-5680. Diana Ko, KITV4 Island News.